I'm making gourmet cupcakes today. What is gourmet cupcakes? I've made cupcakes my whole life and I just thought of them as simple, easy little cakes to make. But now I'm hearing everybody ask for gourmet cupcakes. So gourmet to me is something special. So I'm going to make special cupcakes. I'm using my very good buttermilk chocolate cake recipe. And then I'm adding a very good cream cheese chocolate chip filling. And I'm going to see how these gourmet cupcakes come out. First I'm going to put a scoop of the chocolate batter in each one of these. Now I'm going to add a spoonful of my cream cheese chocolate chip filling in it. Okay, there's the last one. Now I'm going to put another scoop of the chocolate on top of the cream cheese. Okay, now I'm going to put these in the oven to bake, and then I'm going to make up a good icing to go on top to finish off. Okay, here I have the gourmet cupcakes are baked, and I'm getting ready to put some nice icing on them. I'm using a white cream cheese icing. I want to make them a little fancier since they're gourmet. So I'm going to put this nice creamy cream cheese icing on them. Cover all the chocolate. And then I think I made up all these different colored icings here. So I'm going to make them a little fancier by putting a dab of green, and then I think I'll put a little bit of pink with it. I'm going to swirl this around into the white to give it a little bit of color. Here we have the final product. Chocolate buttermilk cupcakes with chocolate cream cheese filling and cream cheese icing.